What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how we're going to put down some blacktop asphalt on top of this existing concrete ballast driveway. You can see this is already like crushed concrete. It doesn't have any fines in it. Any of this little dust you see on top is just from the dirt. It's pretty chunky stuff. So we're going to put some more base on top of this and then compact it down. But the first thing we're going to do is get this area marked out of where exactly the driveway is going to be. We have both sides marked out. Our area here is 52 by 12. Next step is we're going to dig out the edge of the driveway right where it meets the street. So before we go and add any new material on top of this, we're going to compact this existing base, make sure it's real tight. And then we're going to add a thin layer, about 2 inches of some crushed concrete that has some more fines mixed in. I'll show you the material we picked up, give you a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Yeah, you see, this has a lot more fine material in it, so that'll really fill in those voids. And that's what you want. You don't want a lot of voids underneath underneath asphalt. You know, if this was a concrete slab or something like that, it would probably be fine because the concrete would just fill it in. So we spread out that crushed concrete that had a lot of fines mixed in with it. If you can see, there's a lot of fines here on top. Corey's hitting it with the roller. We're going to hit it with the plate compactor again, and then we will be ready for our blacktop. And if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate everybody that watches the videos and follows the channel. Good. Don't forget the diesel. Yep. Normally we would do a saw cut or something if this was nice, but it's not. And you got to be careful with the township when you tie into the road. If they say you mess the road up, they could have you fix a big area. So we're just going to go up to that as nice as we can and call it a day. We just hit this with the whacker, and I'm gonna get this last little bit of binder in here down to about our last probably 2 or 3 scoops, it looks like. So it's a little bit of a cluster right now. My buddy Alex just got here to move my 80 to the next job. Corey got back here with the top coat, and I'm blocked in with the skid steer. I can't pull out this way because this is where their septic is, so I have to wait for him to move to back out. But Dan's feeling pretty eager today in this 95-degree weather, so he's just running it out the chute into the wheelbarrow. Corey over here, the raking champ. Look at that rake skill. Look at that. Packs that edge like no other.
Put it in the envelope.
Put it in the envelope. All right guys, here's the finished product. All in all, I think it came out pretty good. You can see we went pretty heavy on the both layers here. We probably have 5, maybe 5.5 inches total between the base and the top coat. You know, and spec only calls for 4. Most general driveways, I mean, at least in our area, it's 2.5 inches of binder and then 1.5 inches of top. Here, I think we're closer to, you know, probably 3 inches of binder and 2 inches of top. You can see we're built up pretty nice. Once they get done with their final inspection and all that, they're probably going to add some stone along the side to build it up. Our edges, check out that edge. You know, for not using a paver, that came out pretty straight. So there's a couple little dips in there. I'm not going to pretend it's perfect, but all in all, I think it's plenty good. You know, if somebody really didn't like it, if for some reason, I know Dan will be fine with it, but we could always saw cut it and make it perfectly straight, but I don't think that's going to be necessary at all. So as usual guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I appreciate everybody that's been following, you guys who comment and you know, watch the videos regularly. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much, and we'll catch you on the next one.